In today's video, I want to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on iPhone. To turn on your Bluetooth on your iPhone is very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up the settings app. So once you open up the settings app on your iPhone, it's going to take you to this page. So on this page, if you look very well, you're going to see where it says Bluetooth. So I want you to tap on that Bluetooth. So once you tap on the Bluetooth, as you can see, Bluetooth is turned off. So to turn on this Bluetooth, if you check the front of this Bluetooth, you're going to see a box over there. Just tap on it. So once you tap on it, the box will turn green. This means you successfully turned on the Bluetooth on your iPhone. So what do you do next? Once you tap on that, then you wait for it to scan the available Bluetooth. So once it scans them, then you can just tap on them and connect to them easily. So guys, this is how you can actually turn on and connect your Bluetooth to another Bluetooth on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.